G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm back at KFC. They've got a new product out, the giant snack pack. Oh boy, that sounds awesome. And it looks really good. And at 4,652 kilojoules, mate, that's half your average daily intake for food. So, mate, how about we grab one, we'll give it a weigh, suss out how many nuggets are in it and see what it's like. Let's go. Alright, well here we go, the giant snack pack. $6.95 this cost, and it has got some weight about it. I brought the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. Whoa, 460 grams. Whoa, that weighs nearly twice as much as that $10 burger we got the other day. That's nearly half a kilo of KFC. Anyway, let's crack it open, suss it out, see what we got. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, I love KFC! Sometimes. Kill me out! Oh, good. I got some more of these. That'll go with the other ones I've got, like, sitting here and down here. Oh, yes! I wonder if there's a collector's edition. Right. Anyway, here we go. Da 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 da. Whoa, Mamma Mia, that looks good. Woo wee, mate, have a look at this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nuggets there. Whew, and look at all that popcorn chicken. Holy cow. And of course you got all those chips there as well. I think this could possibly be one of the best deals that they've ever had. Now on the description it doesn't tell you how many nuggets or anything you get, so 6 is pretty good. I think you'd normally pay $7 for 6 nuggets anyway, don't you? Mate, how good does this look? OMG. This looks amazing. Can't believe how much stuff's in here. Holy cow. Mate, there's like 2 meals in there. Whew. I wonder how good these nuggets are though. Oh mate. That was like biting into a vat of KFC oil. Mate. Highly recommended. There's no sauces with this though, so, well, at least KFC won't go bankrupt for this meal deal. And the chips today. Wow. Oh, it's not even soggy. Oh. That was almost crunchy. Could have been better seasoned. But hey, not bad. And that popcorn chicken. Oh, there's tons of it there. Mate. I can almost taste the KFC coating on it too. That's good. Well, I think you probably know what score this is getting. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, $6.95 for all that. Oh, mate. This has got to be one of the best KFC deals that, well, they've had in, well, this year at least. Flavour-wise, well, you're getting all the classic KFC things that you love. You're getting some chicken nuggets here, mate. Who doesn't love those? You're getting KFC chips. Mate, who doesn't love them? Well, I don't. They're pretty average, and they're usually soggy and under-seasoned and taste pretty average and grainy and not very good. But besides that, who doesn't love them? And the popcorn chicken, mate, there is probably a whole cup's worth of popcorn chicken in there. And boy, does it taste. Well, it could taste better. A little bit flavourless. Still got the seasoning on it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the giant snack pack, mate. You know this is getting up. 10 out of 10, mate. What more do you want? Holy cow. I just can't believe this. I think I'll be coming back for lunch and dinner every single day until this meal deal is done. Look out, Scales, because you're going to cop a punishing. Well, there you go, the giant snack pack, mate. One of the best meal deals that I think KFC's had in a long time. And wow, what a ton of food you get for $7. Now, it doesn't matter what I think. I think the most important judge is Rollo. Come on, Rollo. See what he goes for. Oh, he's gone for the nuggets. No, the popcorn chicken. Then the nuggets, then the chips. Oh, Rollo. Rollo's knows. Okay, Rollo. Oh, he's gone the popcorn chicken first. And then he's off for the chips. With the chicken nuggets coming in a close third. Well done, Rollo. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat at KFC. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are